This is lesson 12-2, measures of central tendency. Let's discuss the first measure of central tendency, the one that's most often used, the mean. The mean of any set of data is the average of that data. Sometimes when we talk about the mean, we'll use it symbolically. It is X with a bar over it. When you are using your graphing calculator, that will be the symbol in the graphing calculator to recognize the mean of a set of data. To find the mean of any set of data, you want to take all of the data, or the scores, and you want to add them all together. Once you get that sum, you should divide it by the number of scores that you added up. The median is the middle value in any set of data when the data is arranged in numerical order. To find your median, the first thing you need to do is arrange all of your scores or data in numerical order. Then, if the number of scores is an odd number, you should just take the score that's in the middle. If it's an even number, you should take the average or mean of the two middle scores. The mode is the most infrequently used measure of central tendency. The mode is the most frequently occurring score in any set of data. If two scores occur the most, meaning that you have a tie for the most score occurrences, the data is said to be bimodal. If all scores occur the same number of times, in other words, you have all scores occurring once or just twice, then there is no mode. Let's take a look at an example of how to find the measures of central tendency. Find the mean, the median, and the mode of the following set of data. Pause the video at this point to give yourself a chance to do so. So to find the mean, we want to take all of the scores. Again, it doesn't matter what order we add them up in, but we will add all of those scores. So 0 plus 2 plus 0 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 8 gives me 44. I'll take that and divide it by 10, and that will give me a mean of 4.4. To find the median in this set of data, I need to arrange all of the scores in numerical order. And I've done so here. 0, 0, 2, 3, 3, 4, 7, 8, 8, 9. I have 10 scores, so I need to average the fifth and the sixth score, the two middle scores. When I average 3 and 4, I get 3.5. So therefore, 3.5 is my median in this set of data. The mode, again, is the most frequently occurring score. In this case, I have three modes, 0, 3, and 8, all occur twice. So I have a trimodal set of data. Let's take a look at a word problem example for this particular chapter. Ronaldo has three math test grades of 75, 82, and 90. What must Ronaldo get on the fourth test to have an average of 85? Pause the video at this point to give yourself a chance to try it on your own. So let's take a look at how we would attack this problem. Since we don't know what the fourth test mark is, we're going to let X be the fourth test mark. Then, since we're looking for, or we have an average, so since we're looking for a score that contributes to an average, we need to do the mean procedure. Therefore, we need to add up all the scores and divide by the number of scores to get 85. So here's what my equation looks like. 75 plus 82 plus 90 plus X, the addition of all the scores, divided by 4, the number of scores, should be equal to the average, which is 85. Then I'm going to combine all of my numbers on the top of the fraction. I'm also going to put 85 over 1 to create a proportion. At this point, I'll now cross multiply all the way across. And now I have 247 plus x equal to 340. At this point, I'll subtract 247 from both sides, and I get x equal to 93. So the test grade that Ronaldo has to get to have an 85 average is a 93 on the fourth test. If you're having any issues with this particular lesson, please make sure you consult your teacher in class.